In this video we will know what's new in the new version of teslascada 2 version 63. In this version we add some possibility to make easy work with your project and make it more scalable. First we add possibility to add subgroup in the text hierarchy in text window. For example, to do it, right click on the subgroup and click new text subgroup. And also it's possible in text use keyword subgroup to create name of the tag. In our case it will be department line 1 flower matter and name that we added state. And in our case we use OPCA7 and it's possible to use keyword name to bind information system address of OPCA server to the name of the tag. Also in the window, in the group object and in the object you can use keyword screen now. For example, we name our screen department and we bind this screen name to the name of the group object. And as you can see now it's possible to edit sub-objects of the group in the group. So you can move the objects and also it's possible to edit. You can see we bind name of the group, of the object to the group. And also in the property of visibility we bind name of the object to the property of visibility, because name of the object is the same like name of the tag, it will be binded to the appropriate tag, corresponding tag. So you can see. And also it's possible to edit group object templates. For example, we want to change size of this template and we choose objects and, for example, increase width of the objects. And we want to this changes works for all objects with template valve. We click OK and change properties and change tag if you want. In our case we change text, not because we have indirect bindings. The text will be the same. So you can see the size of the valve I changed because this also has template valve. Don't apply and now okay, we click OK. Also, and we can now, for example, we want to create second line. We copy group subgroup line and you can see we have name of the tag department 1 line 2 flower matter. So, and if we copy the group line we have and we change name of the group line 2, we bind all text, appropriate text to the line 2. We can change this manually, but text of the objects and group objects are bind to the text of line 2. For example, flower matter department 1 line 2 flower matter state will be bind to the flower matter of line 2. Let's check visibility. Yes, it's bind here because we use indirect name possibility. Let's check. Change to true. When true, it become red. Yes, you can see it works. But a second. Yes, we should manually change text. Don't apply, because if we apply, it's change text for the line 1 in our case. Also, in the new version, we add some new graphical objects. In our case, we add analog methods gauge2 and gauge3. In gauge2 we use in our project, it has the same properties like other gadgets, so you can choose value bind to this object, and you can choose range. In our case, from 0 to 0 to 10, color red, you can see, and from 10 to 90, color green. That's all. And now let's talk about new scripts. In our case, we use scripts. We add two types of scripts: toast on mouse enter and on mouse off, and on mouse leave. Let's check. For script type object, it works, and choose execution on mouse enter and on mouse exited. In our project and in our demo project, we use it to demonstrate toast messages. For example, we open our project and we create toast message and toast line. We use this script to create toast on and toast depending on the object where we bind this script. In our case, we bind this script to the group objects like pump and create invisible button pump, and in this object we add scripts on and toast off, and create user-defined property description pump1. This is the message will be appeared when we place mouse over this object. And we create an initialization script for the messages invisible that make it invisible when it's created. We bind this script to the toast text and toast line. So let's check. We run. The message is invisible, and let's place over the pump. Yes, you have to make it over the other objects, message and line, to do it works properly. Pump, meta, valve 1 and valve 2. Meta, valve 1. And in our case, you can change for line to other names. To do this, you can open in the objects tree, choose pump, and in object change the message will be shown. For example, we want to change in pump 2. And let's start, let's check. Yes, now it's pump 2, not pump 1. When we copy objects, when we apply changes for objects, the user-defined properties are not changed. That's all. Let's check our project in runtime. Open and try to connect to our PCA server, where I also create the same properties. Let's see. It works. Make some changes in OPC server. For example, we want to reset on the line 1 our alarm objects, pump and flow meter. You see it works. And for example, change volume. And you see gorgeous. Position is changed, the arrow of position is changed, and the value is changed. That's all. It's the first part of our message tutorial about version 63.